We are sure that we know our world backward and forward and that there is nothing left that can surprise us and make us say, oh, wow. But we are wrong. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Sam's Info TV. Today I have a list of interesting facts from all over the world, hope you guys enjoy it. If you are new to my channel, make sure to like the video, comment, and subscribe. Number 1, to tell a real diamond from a fake, you need to breathe on it. A fake one will become foggy, and a genuine one will stay clear. Number 2, Galileo Galilei's middle finger is stored in the Museum of Science in Florence. The iPhone, the Harry Potter books, and the Rubik's Cube are the top 3 most sold products in human history. Number 3, the Bombay phenotype is a phenomenon whereby certain elements of the blood are missing. It results in a person having a mixed blood type. Only 0.0004% of the world's population have such blood. There is even a special storage of this blood so that people who have it can have a blood transfusion if necessary. What is curious is that this unique blood type can be transfused to any person with a regular blood type. Number 4, besides the senses that we all know, such as smell and touch, a person also has another sense, proprioception, being aware of the position of one's body parts. Number 5, only 5% of the population of Brazil lives in the Rio Grande state. However, this is the place where 70% of all Brazilian models are from. Number 6, bananas have a curved shape because they reach for the sunlight when they grow. Number 7, the blue bird from the Twitter logo has a name, Larry. The creators of the social network named the bird after basketball player Larry Bird. Number 8, in the high mountain forests of Nepal, there are giant bees. The length of their bodies can be up to 1.1 inches. These bees produce special honey that can cause a person to hallucinate. The Gurungs that live in that part of the Himalayas collect such hallucinogenic honey. Number 9, you spend so little electricity charging your smartphone that even if you calculated the yearly cost of it, it would be less than $1. Number 10, Charles Darwin was the first person who had the idea to attach wheels to his office chair to move around more quickly. Number 11, in order to burn just 1 calorie, you need to click a mouse button 10 million times. Number 12, if you make ice cubes with tap water, they will be white. If you use boiled water, they will be transparent. Number 13, when you take a hot bath, you burn as many calories as you would if you went for a 30-minute walk. Number 14, the Pokémon characters Hitmonlee and Hitmonchan were named after Bruce Lee and Jackie Chan. Number 15, the last names Van, Li, and Zhang are the most popular in the world. 21% of the entire population of China has them. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share it, and comment. Subscribe to my channel. See you next time.